Hi guys, it's Sharon from Lovely Luxe. Welcome back to my channel. So, as you can see, I have the gloves on. And you can probably tell by the title, I'm going to color my hair today. I'm pretty excited about it because it's about 7.5 months since I put color in my hair, which is like pretty much majority of this year as far as I'm concerned. And I'm going to do something different today, because why not? I'm trying to mix it up a little bit every single time I do one of these videos, because you guys don't want to see the same thing over and over and over again. I'm going to do a rainbow, which I'm pretty chuffed about. I've been thinking about it for a really long time. I had a lot of people surrounding me, some of my friends and family, and my work family, saying to me that they miss my colored hair and want me to redo it. It's going to the holiday period. I've got 1 week left at work, and then on my holidays I lose, which is so awesome. I'm just gonna get stuck straight into things. I'm gonna show you guys how I mix up my colors. These are swatches. So I'm going to start from the top and work my way down. So this is basically going to be like this. So I'm going to go pink, purple, blue, green, yellow, orange and red, sorry. I have my gloves on. And let's get stuck straight into it. And if you're wondering what this is, I have no idea how I injured myself. I walked into my boss's office last week to have a meeting, and I was like, geez, my arm really hurts. And I looked at it and there was like blood going down my arm. I was like, when did that happen? I have no idea. Let's get into it. I'm just going to make sure that my part is exactly where I want it to be. Even though I'm going to split it up, I really want this quite particular to where I want that part to be. And I'm just going to put on an old t-shirt. Essentially just parting it, smack-banging through the middle at the back. So I've got even sections mostly to work on. And here we go. I'm just going to start laying that on. Oh my gosh, I'm feeling very brave. color is in. I'm gonna let this sit for about another 45 minutes. I've been filming for bloody ages like usual. So the next time you see me, it will be all dry and beautiful. I will have styled it. So we'll see you guys with my new hair in a minute. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I'm so happy with the way that my hair turned out. This is definitely something new. It was a very big feat for me. I was a little bit stressed about doing it, but really proud of myself that anytime I take on something new as far as a challenge for my hair, or really take on a challenge for anything, I'm able to succeed, which is really self-motivating. And I think it's really beautiful the way it turned out. I went to brunch already this morning and I already got compliments. So this is my summer hair. Happy summer 18/19. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully this one will be a much shorter one than all the others because they get a bit long. So if you like what you see and you want to see more, subscribe. Hit that button down below. You can also click the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I post videos. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, especially for me and my colourful hair. Don't forget you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Snapchat. They're all Love Lady Luxe. I hope you guys can appreciate the awesomeness. So happy summer 18/19. I love you guys so much. This was Sharon from Love Lady Luxe, and I will see you next time. Mwah. Okay. Now big for my hair.
Oh really?
Yeah.
How big?
Enough to wrap around my head. Maybe a bit longer. I'm sorry about it.
Yeah, actually quickly hold it.
Yeah, don't let go yet. Don't let go, don't let go.